We're back, baby.
Whoa, what the hell is this? Look at this!
Look at this sniper rifle. Auto shotty.
Grabbing a firebomb.
First aid up there. Nothing else.
How do you do it, bitch? Scoring. Snoring.
Shit!
I like this music. Very and fascinating.
Never heard it put quite that way before. Mackie did.
No, I die.
Yeah.
You're a crazy little nigger, ain't you?
Call me crazy little nigger. Why are you sitting on me? No! I didn't know that wasn't a witch! That was terrible! Help me! Someone help me! Kill this witch! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Oh! Oh! I did not know that was a witch. Oh my god, I look forward, I see a zombie, so I shot. And I need to witch more. Kill it. Oh, no. Little pecker. Maybe.
Yeah, he's pecking my head, alright.
Another witch? What?
Oh, we killed her.
But watch out, because the witch is walking, so. Check on the boomer.
What's happening?
Did I just see the screen shake?
I hope not.
Yeah, me too.
Logan. Yes? Oh, I love you, I'm Jesse. I won't. I will, I mean. Sorry.
Hunter! Hunter, what the?
Yes, boomer loud.
That's a boomer line. I want a boomer line. Alright, so we good now?
Yep.
Alright. That's right, so show me. That's back to come.
Alright now. What? The pig.
There you go. Fuck.
Keep it your shell.
Right there, the witch. I'm turning off my lights in case.
Don't do that, stupid. Cherry bomber killer.
I have a shotgun. Machine gun.
Where's that from?
What's killed? What's killed? What's killed? What's killed? What's killed?
180 spin. What?
Logan.
Snap. What?
Oh, the witch!
You did witch.
I'm gonna kill it.
Wait. Okay. Oh, Rochelle. Rochelle, get over here! Rochelle, you stupid idiot!
Fuck me! Oh man, Logan, help me! Help me! Help me! Someone help me! I'm dying. I'm dying. Oh my god, I actually killed it. What's up, Jockey? What are you doing? Oh, so what, you're just gonna sit up there and fucking let me die?
Yeah. Love you too.
You owe me one now. You have to find my ass. Wait,
yeah. Dude! Now he copies you. I owe you one. Yeah, you owe me, bitch. It's gonna hurt. Oh! Oh, that sounds weird. Hi, I love you too.
Another witch?
What? Oh, peace out, bro.
Oh, no. Oh, fuck you too, I'm leaving. You ain't even going the right way.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
You're not.
Yeah, I am.
Not you, fuck. I'm done. Fuck you! Take it! Take it, I don't want it. Woo. I can't believe there's another witch. That's 3 in a row, isn't it?
Yeah.
How much time? 5 minutes, that's all? Fuck, where are all these zombies coming from? No.
Bro, I'm coming to help you, bro.
Oh yeah, sure, I do.
I got your back.
You don't have a shotgun?
No?
Because I see that witch.
Yo!
I see that witch, Logan. She's like right there.
Where?
I found a tank!
I got boomer vial!
Throw it on it! Throw it on it!
Yeah!
Nice! Move it!
You have to save the zombies! Take it down!
That's it, tank. Kick his ass, zombies! Yeah, what now, bitch?
Watch out. That's yours. See, that's our road. Woo!
You owe me one.
Oh, you owe me one!
Why? I didn't shoot you.
I wish I did.
I thought I found the witch, but...
Acid!
Witch!
Acid.
Third time startling the witch. No, she's spasticking out now. Rochelle's almost dead. Can you heal somebody?
Nope,
like
I don't
me,
have
please?
nothing. All I have is... I don't
You have
have
a
nothing.
good kid? Oh, you have some good.
Yeah, I have a
Good,
good
so if I die...
Come here!
If I die, they revive me. My nipples are all hard now. I think we're backtracking.
I think we go up here.
Yeah, we're supposed to go this way. Wait for me, I'm lamping.
No, we're not.
You hear another witch?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I was going the right way.
You were going this way. This is the way Kilpus went.
Wyatt! Ready to get out. Woo!
Go ahead, stop the video real quick because it has 7 minutes.